Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome in your SST class. How are you, my students? I hope you will be fine. Dear students, we will do remaining part of chapter number 3 today. So, open book page number 7. Now, find the words in the grid given below. Now this is like a game. So you have to find these words in these boxes. Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, cousin. अब आपको ये सब words इस boxes में find करने. I'm again telling you this is a game and I hope you will enjoy this game while solving this. I am giving you just example like this. Cousin, COUSIN. I found a word cousin. Now you will color this boxes cousin from C to N. Cousin. Through this way you have to find all these words given here. Okay, I'm giving you another example. Like here, it comes father. 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 You will use another color in these boxes. FATHER. You will color from F to R. Father. Okay, dear students, you will love to play this game. I hope you will enjoy. Okay, students, we will meet in another class. I hope you will complete your task on time, and you must do colors very neatly. Take care. Allah Hafiz.